They call me Jack Papacinos. And we just opened this restaurant here, a Rusty Red. We serve mostly Italian food, Greek and Italian, like we did downtown. One of the favorite sandwiches, my veggie panini, lamb burger. We have lasagna, meatballs. We make beef and beans. Almost every day people like that. It's a family-run business, and yeah, we've been cooking for 30-some years. We have a lot of friends and especially when you feed people, you have a different friendship. You know, you're not doing business with. It doesn't feel like you're doing business with them. You just they feel like family, actually.